Hello friends, welcome back to Vue.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about methods in Vue.js. Okay, so what is method and the use of method we will learn step by step. Okay, so first of all, method in Vue.js, or you can say the functions in Vue.js are defined within methods object. I will discuss with the coding, but let's understand the methods can be declared within method objects of Vue component. They are used to encapsulate reusable logic and can be called from the template or other methods within the component. Okay, so we can understand what is methods. Methods are commonly used for handling user events, performing calculations, manipulating data, and lots of purpose. Okay, so what is the use of methods? First of all, there may have multiple types of places we can use. Mainly we use for event handling, like it's commonly used to handle events triggered by any user interactions, like clicks event, from submissions means submit event, or any input changes event. So all the places we can use uh, in methods. Okay, the next is reusability. You know that why we use functions. Always we need to maintain a good code. We don't need to write same code again and again, so we'll use functions or methods. So it's allow to define a block of code once and call it multiple times within your component, right? Then the encapsulations, we can encapsulate our logics inside the methods, like methods helps to keep your template clean and readable by encapsulating complex logic within the functions or methods. Okay, then parameter passing, so we can make our methods dynamic using the simple parameter passing, just like a normal function. Since JavaScript, we can pass a parameter to the Vue methods also, right? And then we can use methods for DOM manipulations, like it can be used to direct manipulate the DOM, although it's generally recommended to use data binding and directives for most DOM updates, right? And another things, asynchronous operations, like methods can handle any asynchronous operations such as fetching data from APIs or setting timeouts. Means if you want to fetch any data from third party API or the APIs, then we can create a simple methods, and that method will be responsible to get the data from the API. We can use methods in this way, and there are many purpose we can use methods. Okay, so let's take an example so that we will get a clear concept of that things. Okay, so you can see I already installed in this Vue series. I will install this application, and these are actually running here, Vue.js methods. So let's take an example so that we can understand how methods is actually working. Okay, so now here we can see this the templating sections is the Vue purpose. Whatever we write in the template sections, we can display from the browser, and this is our model part, export default name app, and this is the data section definitions part, right? Now simple, here I just going to write some things. Means here write, let's declare a variable like message, and here it will declare like a object. Okay, so simply write hello Vue. Okay, now let's add this message here so that we can see these things from here. Okay, now just go here, we can see the hello Vue. Okay, now I want to create an event on button click, or I want to add a button. From that button, when you click on that things, I just want to change the message. Okay, now let's add a button here. So simple, just write a button, and here just write click. Okay, and I want to create a method, and I want to call this method from this button. We can call using the b on click, and name the methods just like change message. Okay, this is the method's name. You can click in this way, or simply if you type this colon click, then it will work the same. Sorry, not colon, at the rate click, it will work same. Okay, the shortcut you can write at the rate, or you can write a p on. Okay, now I already said, so actually methods can be declared in the JSON object in the export default sections. So here just declare methods here, means in Vue.js all the methods will come into this methods object. Okay, so here my method name is change message, and just write a change message here. Okay, and you can understand from our last video we are using the message as a variable, and we are displaying these things. So if you want to change some things, means if you want to access this message from the methods, then we need to use this, then the variable name this message, and here I just write, instead of hello view, changed the message. Okay, so that means when you click on these things, it will call the change message functions, and by these change message functions we can update these message data, means this message change the message. Okay, just go to the browser, simply we can say hello view, just click on this, change the message. So you can understand how we can handle our data, or how we can manipulate our DOM using this click event. We actually change our variables, we actually changed our data using the click functions. For in Vue there are lots of things like if you see my previous event handling videos, you can understand there are lots of event like peak event, input event, and there are lots of event to have just like JavaScript. Here I just show you that how we can call the methods. Okay, so here this message is actually a reactive data property, and by this change message functions we change it. Okay, now another things, suppose I want to add parameterized method, means we can we already said that we can send parameter to the functions. So we can we can send the parameter. Okay, so this is the method, and here we are calling. Now I want to add some variable, so here just write just pass some data, means here write anything, that is John. Okay, I just passing a name, and here I just written this name here, so that whatever will pass from this parameter it will take in the name sections. Now we can write in this way, that is just like normal JavaScript, simply write dollar name changed the message. Okay, now just go here. So by default it is hello view. If you click on this click functions, then John changed the message, means this John is coming through the parameter. So by using that things we can change, we can pass the parameter also, and using these functions we can get the parameter value, and we can just added these things into my string, so the message property is changed. So in this way we can create our functions, and we can call our functions. If you want another functions, you need to define in the same methods object, just like here and other functions, right? So this is another function, so you can do whatever you want. If you want another, then add the comma separated and then write some new functions. Okay, so this is the function name, and you can write in this way. So all the functions should be declared in this methods object, whatever you want, right? All the functions will be declared here, and you can pass your data by the parameter. You can access any reactive data, means from these variable sections you can access all those things. Okay, so hope you can understand the basic Vue.js methods concept. So next day we are going to discuss about another thing, that is the computed property in Vue. Okay, so hope you will like this video, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.